Hello, this is Belinda from BellaVida Bed and Breakfast in Wimberley, Texas. I wanted to show you one of the features about BellaVida that sets it apart from other bed and breakfast. It has an 1,100 square foot great room. We have 5 bedrooms here. So this is a perfect place for girlfriend groups, families, family reunions, but where you can stay here even if you're here for a wedding and have plenty of things to do and see right here on the property in the evening time. We're going to, as you can see, we have a full-size refrigerator for guests, a coffee bar, big screen TV. The tables, we have space here where the ping pong table is, where we can put additional tables and chairs for crafters, workshops, and then we're going to take a quick walk out here to the back porch, which is one of the favorite places for guests to gather. This is a 50-foot long porch. This is where we serve breakfast in the mornings. Our farmhouse table seats 16. This is the view. This is also evening time. In the mornings, the birds are singing, and in the springtime, this area that you're seeing right now is solid Texas wildflowers. At the far end of the porch, we have another seating area. It's a great place to gather. The porch swing is actually a futon, and you can lay that down and take a nice nap and share it. Give you a little view here. Hopefully no one's getting dizzy. And then here we are. Thank you for watching with us today. Leave your comments below with any questions you have about BellaVida or the Wimberley area. Thanks for joining us, and share this with your friends. Goodbye.